set a clay shoot up, a 60 bird clay shoot, raising funds for the National Gamekeepers Organisation, which I'm a very big part of. We're on our place, my place where I work. The lads, we was here yesterday, we set the targets up. Right behind us here is the pool shoot. Just shot it, not too bad, although I didn't hit the seabird. I'm using the Browning Maxus, which is normally me pigeon gun, but it also doubles up as a clay gun. And we're using Eley Select cartridges, 28 grams, 7.5 shot, which does the job. The gun cycles them no problem at all. All fibre, all clay shoots on here, always fibre wads. You know, you get 150 entries, there's a lot of cartridges being fired, so fibre wad cartridges only. The clay shoot that I set up, these are absolutely plenty. Really, we're just here, raising money, but hopefully giving everyone an enjoyment of coming out, taking part in a nice clay shoot. The weather's absolutely fantastic, and we couldn't have better settings.